Hey and welcome to a new innovation gym session, the place to tone your innovation muscles with design thinking tools, mindset and strategy. And today's topic, another quick group energizer called Turtle Wushu. All you need is a little bit of space. I don't have space here, so I'll go outside to demonstrate it with my family in just a minute. You need people, the more the merrier, and you need a pen for each person. That is it. So let's get to it and do it. By the way, while I'm walking, please subscribe to this channel if this content is of relevance to you and hit the bell to get notified each time I post a new video, which is Tuesdays. Okay, now first thing, each one places their turtle, in other words pen, onto the back of the hand. The rules are, the goal of the game is to keep your turtle alive, meaning your pen on top of your hand, while smashing and kicking the turtle off of all other participants' hands. You win if your turtle is the last one sleeping on the back of your hand. When the turtle, aka pen, falls off, you're out, and you're also out or disqualified if you are fixing the pen onto the hand, for example, with the help of your fingers. Now, how does it work? You all come together in a circle and bring your hands with the pen sitting on top together. They don't need to touch, but almost. Then you all say Turtle Wushu, the name of the game. When saying Wushu, you are allowed to start moving your hand and start kicking other turtles off of other people's hands. And by kicking, I mean with your hand only. No violence, please. It's just a game. How much time will you need? Well, that depends totally on the size of your group. We're now a very small group, so the game usually ends after a couple of seconds. Obviously, the more people you have, the longer it takes. And it also takes usually a couple of rounds till everyone gets the hang of it and starts to enjoy it and to strategize a little bit. So I suggest to play at least 3 rounds of Turtle Wushu to energize the whole group. As simple as that. Alright, that was a quick intro to a quick energizer. If you liked it, check out my collection of warm-ups, energizers and team building activities here on this channel. And subscribe to stay in the loop. Thanks so much for your time and energy. Have an active and fun day ahead. See you very soon. Bye-bye.